The true measure of a building's performance is more than steel, concrete, or glass. How the foundation, fenestration, facade, and roof come together is the key. It's about creating a strong building envelope with compatible solutions that will last throughout the building's life cycle. The construction industry's top brands have come together to achieve that goal. Under the Tremco Construction Products Group, these companies provide systems and services for all 6 sides of the building envelope. Imagine one source satisfying all your construction product needs. From below grade to roofline, many structure types benefit from Nudura insulated concrete forms, which are stronger, better insulated, and can be installed faster than traditional framing. Seal the building envelope with Tremco Commercial Sealants and Waterproofing's best-in-class air and vapor barrier systems for all vertical and horizontal surfaces. These tested solutions ensure proper connectivity even in the most demanding conditions. For virtually any expansion joint application, look to WillSeal's pre-compressed foam to streamline installation, handle extreme movement, and create safer, greener, and higher-performing structures. Cladding options from Dryvit will satisfy any facade aesthetic: stone, masonry, metal, terracotta, brick, with a faster and easier install. Built-in durability and insulation properties result in structures that are less expensive to build and operate. And for the roof, Tremco Roofing and Building Maintenance offers industry-leading solutions that restores, replaces, and outperforms, all backed by a no-exclusions, plain and simple warranty and maintenance program designed to prolong the life of your building. A wide range of contracting services from Weatherproofing Technologies Incorporated and Weatherproofing Technologies Canada help keep roofs leak-free and facilities dry, delivering true peace of mind to building owners and facility managers. Whether new construction or restoration, commercial or residential, in-field or in-plant, structures with systems from Tremco CPG companies are easier to build, restore, renovate, and maintain, are virtually impervious to the elements, and can provide any look desired. A phone call to one representative connects you to a full team of problem solvers. Together, Tremco Construction Products Group companies give architects, contractors, consultants, and building owners the peace of mind that comes with a single source platform for products, services, and warranties for all 6 sides of the building envelope.